The topic is something that is very close to my heart, and it's actually something that I am also battling with currently, and it is mobile addiction. Now, obviously, we all use our phones. It is kind of difficult to imagine our lives without our phones because they're not only a source of entertainment, they're also a part of our work. So our phones have become an integral part of our lives. But there's a very thin line between healthy usage of technology and its overusage. And somewhere we have crossed that line and we have become addicted to our phones. Now this phone addiction has taken such deep roots that we are constantly checking our phones for notifications, even checking our phones while we are brushing our teeth or while we are having our meals. We are so addicted that we don't even realize when we are causing harm to ourselves. This phone addiction has affected our mental health in more ways than we can imagine. In today's video, I'll be talking about how mobile or phone addiction affects our mental health. If you find our videos helpful, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's start. Number 1. It causes anxiety. The blue light emitted from these gadgets disrupts the normal sleep cycle and reduces the quality of sleep. Poor sleep quality leads to anxiety. Also, social media, which is one of the most used applications on our phones, often makes us feel anxious by showing us the lives of others and putting our own life into comparison. The constant pressure of posting our own lives as perfect and better than others adds to our anxiety. Number 2, it causes depression. According to a recent study conducted at the University of Connecticut, it has been proven that excessive use of social media platforms like Instagram and Snapchat can lead to depression. The study states that people who spent more time on these apps were more likely to report symptoms of depression. Number 3, it reduces your self-esteem. Social media is one of the major contributors to low self-esteem. The constant comparison of our bodies, our lives, our achievements with that of others on social media often makes us feel less worthy. When we spend too much time on social media, we tend to believe more in what we see online rather than what we know in reality. And this eventually takes a toll on our self-esteem. Number 4, it affects your memory. According to a recent study, it has been proven that people who use their mobile phones excessively have poor memory recall and recognition skills. The constant use of mobile phones affects our concentration level and also reduces our attention span. As a result, we tend to forget things more often. Number 5, it affects your relationships. Spending too much time on your phone means lesser time spent with family and friends. This eventually affects our relationships and also creates a barrier between the people who are close to us. Also, when you're spending time with someone but your focus is on your phone, it sends a message across that the person you're with is not important enough. It affects the other person emotionally, and it also creates a distance between you both. Number 6, it causes insomnia. The blue light emitted from our mobile phones prevents the production of melatonin, which is the hormone that helps us to sleep. Also, if you're scrolling through social media before going to bed, you're more likely to stay up longer as compared to when you didn't pick up your phone. You're more likely to find yourself awake even when everyone around you is asleep. Number 7, it affects your work. Spending too much time on your phone naturally means lesser time for your work. Also, being addicted to your phone reduces your productivity level. The constant urge to check your phone for notifications makes you inefficient at your work. You tend to get distracted very easily, and this affects your work negatively. If you relate to any of the points that I just mentioned, please do seek help. Reach out to your loved ones. They're always there for you. If you need professional help, please do reach out to us. We are always here to listen. You can also reach out to the helplines that I have mentioned in the description box. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your loved ones. We'll be back soon with another video. Until then, take care and goodbye.